nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories, time after.
Sometimes you picture me, I'm walking too far ahead. You're calling to me, I can't hear what you've said.
Then you say, go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwinds.
If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time.
After my picture fades and darkness has turned to gray, watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets stolen from deep inside. The drum beats out of time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. You said, go slow, I fall behind. The second hand unwind. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you, I will be waiting. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time. Time after time.
Feel my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can't tell where the journey will end, but I know where to start. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream, but life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. Well, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over. Get along with when I'm wiser and I'm older. You're trying to all this time me. I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. No, I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it, 'cause you never know when it all could be over tomorrow. So I keep conjuring. Sometimes I wonder where these thoughts come from. My OCD is conking me in the head. Keep knocking, nobody's home, I'm sleepwalking. Just relaying what the voice in my head saying. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm just friends with the wake me up when it's all over. Get along with when I'm wiser I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I'm friends with the monsters. I didn't know I was lost. I'm friends with the monsters. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost. I'm friends with the monster that's under my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me, stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy, yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, that's nothing. I didn't know I was lost. Well, that's nothing. I didn't know I was lost. Well, that's nothing. I didn't know I was lost. I didn't know I was lost.
I got it.
Nope. Love me like you do. 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 Oh, touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. I don't wanna be needing you. Never knew that it could mean so much. I just wanna be deep in so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark. Let me take you past our satellites, 'cause I really don't care where you are. You can see the world you brought to life. I just wanna be there where you life. Your sugar like you do. Yes, please, like you do. Won't you come and put it down on me? Love me like you do. I'm right here like you do. 'Cause I need like you do. Little love and little sympathy. Love me like you do. I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving. I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging. I'm on my knees. Oh, that you set the pace. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I want to do, you were standing there by my side. And now you're gonna be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. Oh, oh, ooh. So let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take will always lead you home, home, home. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Sugar like you do. Yes, please, like you do. It's been a long day without you.
lover's game. On this endless ocean, finally lovers know no shame.
Turning and returning to some secret place inside, watching in slow motion as you turn around and say,
take my breath away. Take my breath away. Watching, I keep waiting, still anticipating love. Never hesitating to become the faded one.
turning and returning to some secret place to hide, watching in slow motion as you turn to me and say, my love,
take my breath away.
through the hourglass I saw you. In time you slipped away.
When the mirror crashed, I called you. It's hard to hear you say,
If only for today.
I am unafraid. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. Watching every motion in this foolish lover's game. Haunted by the notion somewhere there's a love in flames.
Turning and returning to some secret place inside,
Watching in slow motion as you turn my way. Take my breath away. Take my breath away. My love,
take my breath away, my love. Ooh,
take my breath away.
I knew you were gonna come to me, and here you are. But you better choose carefully, 'cause I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me your Aphrodite, make me your one and only. But don't make me your enemy, your enemy, your enemy. So you wanna at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. Mark my words, this love will make you levitate like a bird without a cage, but down to earth. If you choose to walk away, don't walk away. It's in the palm of your hand now, baby. It's a yes or a no, no maybe. So just be sure before you give it up to me, up to me. Give it up to me. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. She's a beast, I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shorty's heart was on steroids, 'cause her love is so strong. You may fall in love when you meet her. You get the chance, you better keep her. She swears by it, but if you break her heart, she'll turn cold as a freezer. That fairy tale ending with the knight in shining armor. She can be my sleeping beauty, I'ma put her in a coma. Damn, I think I love her, shorty's so bad, I'm sprung and I don't care. She got me like a roller coaster, turn a bedroom into a fair. Her love is like a drug, I was trying to hit it and quit it, but lil' mama's so dope, I messed around and got addicted. So you wanna play with magic? Boy, you should know what you're falling for. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? 'Cause once you're mine, there's no going back. Oh, misty eye of the mountain below, keep careful watch of my brother's souls. And should the sky be filled with fire and smoke, keep watching over Doran sons. We don't have to worry about nothing, 'cause we got the fire, and we're burning one hell of a something. They're gonna see us from outer space, light it up like we're the stars of the human race. When the lights started out, they don't know what they heard. Strike the match, play it loud, giving love to the world. We'll be raising our hands, shining up to the sky. 'Cause we got the fire, yeah, we got the fire. And we're gonna let it burn, we're gonna let it burn. Inside the ground, gonna let it fire, burn in the trees. I see fire, hollowing souls. I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. If this is to end in fire, then we should all burn together. Watch the flames come higher into the night, calling out, Father, oh, stand by and we will watch the flames burn, all burn on. we should die tonight, and we should all die together. Raise the glass of wine for the last, calling out Father, prepare as we will watch the flames burn, all burn on, giving love to the world. Cause desolation comes upon the sky, and we're gonna let it fire burn, burn. We're gonna let it burn inside the mountain. Gonna let it fire burn, burn, burn in the trees. Gonna let it fire, hollowing souls. I see fire, blood in the breeze, and I hope that you remember me. And if the night is burning, I will cover my eyes. For if the dark returns, then my brothers will die. And as the sky is falling down, crash into this lonely town, with that shadow upon the ground, I hear my people screaming out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. We can light it up, 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 so they can put it out, out, out. And I see fire, oh you know I saw a city burning out. And I see fire, feel the heat upon my skin. Burning the trees, and I see fire, fire. And I see fire burn, all burn on the mountainside. Cause we got the fire, fire, fire. Yeah, we got the fire, fire, fire.
Hey everyone, it's Megan and Jacqueline. We really hope you enjoyed our latest mashup of Ed Sheeran's I See Fire and Ellie Goulding's Burn. You may have noticed that both of these songs have to do with fire. And on a more serious note, home fires kill more people in an average year than all domestic natural disasters combined. That's why we've teamed up with the Red Cross to make sure you and your family know what to do to stay fire safe. Just follow these 2 simple steps. Number 1, practice your 2-minute home fire drill. Experts agree that you only have 2 minutes to escape a burning home, so make sure your family has a plan. Step 2, check your smoke alarms monthly to make sure they're working properly. It's easy, 2 steps, 2 minutes. And visit redcross.org/2steps2minutes to get more information and to get details on Tubathon, which is a digital telethon benefiting the Red Cross, streaming live on April 20th. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and stay fire safe. Perfect! Okay, that was one.
As you promised me that I was more than all the miles combined, you must have had yourself a change of heart like halfway through the drive, because your voice trailed off exactly as you passed my exit sign. Kept on driving straight and left our future to the right.
Now I am stuck between my anger and the blame that I can't face, the memories of something even smoking weed does not replace. And I am terrified of weather as I see you when it rains. Doc told me to travel, but there's COVID on the planes. And I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. And it's half my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now your tire tracks and one pair of shoes, and I'm split in half, but that'll have to do.
So I thought that if I piled something good on all my bad, that I could cancel out the darkness I inherited from Dad. No, I am no longer funny, cause I miss the way you laugh. You once called me forever, now you still can't call me back. And I
love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks. And I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed. And it's half my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and I'll dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now your tire tracks and one pair of shoes, and I'm split in half, but that'll have to do.
Oh, that'll have to do.
My other half was you. I hope this pain's just passing through, but I doubt it.
Love her mom, but it's the season of the sticks, and I saw your mom, she forgot that I existed, and it's
half my fault, but I just like to play the victim. I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and I'll
dream each night of some version of you that I might not have, but I did not lose. Now your tire tracks and one pair of shoes, and I'm split in half, but that'll have to do, have to do.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best.
I've got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style, high heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air, telephone wires above are sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm on fire, I feel it everywhere, nothing scares me anymore.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best. I've got that summertime, summertime sadness. Summertime, summertime sadness. Got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh, 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 oh. I'm feeling electric tonight, cruising down the coast, going about 99. I got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I go, I die happy tonight.
Oh my God, I feel it in the air, telephone wires above are sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm on fire, I feel it everywhere, nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go.
Summertime sadness.
I just wanted you to know
that baby, you're the best.
I've got that summertime, summertime sadness. Sister, summertime, summertime sadness. I've got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh, 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 oh. I think I'll miss you forever, like the stars miss the sun in the morning sky. Later's better than ever. Even if you're gone, I'm gonna drive, drive.
I got that summertime, summertime sadness.
Summertime, summertime sadness. Got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh, 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 oh.
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that
baby, you're the best.
I got that summertime, summertime sadness. Summertime, summertime sadness. I've got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh, 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 oh.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find what you're looking for has been here the whole time.
If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? You belong with me. Walking the streets with you in your worn out jeans, I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that can light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since she brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hey, what you doing with a girl like that?
She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time.
If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me? Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me.
Oh, I remember you driving to my house in the middle of the night. I'm the one who makes you laugh when you know you're about to cry.
I know your favorite songs and you tell me about your dreams. Think I know where you belong, think I know it's with me.
Can't you see that I'm the one who understands you? Been here all along, so why can't you see you belong with me?
Standing by and waiting at your back door all this time, how could you not know, baby? You belong with me.
You belong with me.
My lover's got humor. She's a giggle at a funeral, knows everybody's disapproval. I should've worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she is the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak, a fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. My church offers no absolute. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death, the good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death, the good God, let me give you my life. If I'm a pagan of the good times, my love is the sunlight. Keep the goddess on my side. She demands a sacrifice to drain the whole sea. Get something shiny, something meaty for the main course. That's a fine looking high horse. What you got in the stable? Got a lot of sorry faithful. Well, that looks tasty, that looks punty. This is hungry work.
Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sin, that you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death, the good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins, that you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death, the good God, let me give you my life.
Or kings when the ritual begins.
There is no sweeter innocence than our gentle sin.
In the madness and soil of that sad earthly sea, only then I am human, only then I am clean. Like a dog at the shrine of your life.
And I'll tell you my sins, and you can sharpen your knife.
Offer me that deathless death, the
good God, let me give you my life.
Take me to church,
I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your life.
I'll tell you my sins, and you can sharpen your knife.
Offer me that deathless death, the good God, let me give you my life.
nhà thờ rung lên êm đềm, nghe trong đêm vọng lên tiếng em gõ cửa, em đi gõ cửa. Cửa mọi nhà, gõ cửa mọi nhà, không thấy em, không thấy em, đừng có ngại mà. Ai biết được một em về chết. Hỡi Hiroshima, hỡi Hiroshima. Hiroshima, em đã chết cháy trong biển lửa. Hiroshima, không tiếng khóc, mặt trời cháy đỏ. Ngọn gió bị thương đang thét gào, thành phố bình yên bỗng tan hoang thành nấm mồ ngậm ngùi. Hiroshima, em đã chết cháy trong biển lửa. Hiroshima, không tiếng khóc, mặt trời cháy đỏ. Ngọn sông bị thương đang thét gào, thành phố ngàn năm bỗng tan hoang thành ngọn lửa cháy sáng. Em ở đâu, em ở đâu, Hiroshima, Hiroshima. Gõ cửa, chính em đây đi gõ cửa. Hỡi mọi người kìa, hỡi mọi người, bom đã rơi vào tiếng khóc chào đời. Em sống dậy cùng mọi người tranh đấu cho Hiroshima, cho Hiroshima.
Watching every motion in my foolish lover's game. On this endless ocean, finally lovers know no shame.
slow motion as you turn around and say,
take my breath away.